Hey everyone, want to enhance video quality in Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to improve the quality and details of your AI-generated videos step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Open the video project you want to improve. Next, review your video and identify areas that need improvement, such as blurry details, unnatural movement, or inconsistent visuals. Now improve your prompt by adding more specific details. Describe realistic textures, lighting, camera quality, and visual style to guide better results. If you're creating a new version, use a high-quality source image and provide clear instructions for motion and scene details. Next, adjust available settings like resolution, video quality, aspect ratio, and other options if they are available. Click Generate Asterisk or create a new version of the video and wait for Luma AI to process the improved result. Once the video is ready, preview it and compare the details, movement, and overall visual quality. Finally, export the enhanced video and use it for social media, presentations, marketing, or creative projects. And that's how to enhance video quality in Luma AI. With better prompts, high-quality inputs, and the right settings, you can create sharper and more professional AI videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.